Hi guys, in this video we talk about iPhone 15 Pro Max versus RedMagic 9 Pro. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max launched on September 2023 with a price tag of $1,199. The ZTE Nubia RedMagic 9 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $799. The dimensions of these devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max height 6.3 inches, width 3.02 inches, thickness 8.3 mm, and the RedMagic 9 Pro dimensions: height 6.46 inches, width 3.01 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight of these devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 221 gram and the RedMagic 9 Pro come with 229 gram. The build: iPhone 15 Pro Max come with front and back glass and titanium frame. The RedMagic 9 Pro come with front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobiles come with dual SIM, nano SIM card and eSIM card supported. The display of these devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max come with LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED 16M color screen type. The RedMagic 9 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The size of these devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 6.7 inches and the RedMagic 9 Pro come with 6.8 inches. The resolution of the devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max 1.5K screen resolution and RedMagic 9 Pro come with 1116 by 2480 pixels. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 460 ppi density. The RedMagic 9 Pro come with 400 ppi density. The both devices come with 120Hz refresh rate and the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 89.8% screen to body ratio. The RedMagic 9 Pro come with 89.1% screen to body ratio. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with ceramic shield glass protection and the RedMagic 9 Pro come with Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 2000 nits peak of brightness and the RedMagic 9 Pro come with 1600 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. iPhone 15 Pro Max come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 48 MP wide, 12 MP ultra wide and 12 MP periscope telephoto, and it's eco 4K 60 fps video and a TOF 3D ladder sensor too. The RedMagic 9 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide and 2 MP micro, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The selfie camera of the device is the RedMagic 9 Pro come with 16 MP under display selfie camera and the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 12 MP and a SL3D biometric sensor, and it's record 4K 60 fps video with selfie camera. The platform of the device is iPhone 15 Pro Max come with hexa-core CPU and the RedMagic 9 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with Apple A17 Pro 3nm chipset and the RedMagic 9 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the GPU Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max come with Apple GPU 6 core and the RedMagic 9 Pro come with Adreno 750 GPU. iPhone 15 Pro Max come with iOS 17 operating system and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with Android 14 RedMagic OS 9. The memory of the devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 8GB of RAM and the RedMagic 9 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage is same in both devices: 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery setup. iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 4441 mAh battery and the RedMagic 9 Pro come with 6500 mAh battery, and the RedMagic 9 Pro come with 80W fast charging. iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 223W fast charging. The iPhone 15 Pro Max support 15W wireless charging, and the both devices come with 5G network support. Common and feature is same, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max have Face ID unlocking and the RedMagic 9 Pro come with fingerprint under display unlocking, and RedMagic 9 Pro have built-in cooling fan. The result of these devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max score 21 points and the RedMagic 9 Pro score 20 points.